save the damn settings. Hello everyone and welcome back to Tyler's Corner. And yes, it is a new name for the channel. I know that the channel, since this video came out, it's been changed to Tyler's Corner for a while now. And even on the most previous gaming video, there's the whole Tyler's Corner intro thing was up, but this is the first time I am addressing the fact that I have changed the YouTube name. Aspen and I no longer have the channel together because I got tired of having to rely on him and his. I got tired of having to rely on his unreliability. How about that? But anyway, this is a game called Exit 8. Uh, this came out in December of 2023, and I did play it. I did play it like almost as soon as it came out, but for some reason I recorded it. I went through all of it. I even uploaded it to. I even scheduled it. Sorry, to come out on YouTube earlier. But then I realized that the file had corrupted after I'd come back from vacation, so I'm here again to play it for you guys. It's a pretty fun game. It's kind of like Observation Duty, uh, mixed with. I mean, it's just an endless. It's an endless tunnel type thing mixed with Observation Duty. Um, but let's get right into it. Okay. I can go forward with these. So, judging that I have played this before, I don't know why I said judging, but for the fact that I have played this before, I do know of some of the stuff that goes wrong. Oh, Jesus. Um, but there's a lot of stuff that I missed the first time I played it. I didn't even get through all of it because I got tired of playing. After a while, I get tired of it. Which is probably why I don't usually play. Which is why I probably haven't ever played the Observation Duty games on this channel. Because I don't I don't like repetitiveness, if you will, I guess. Excuse you. And here's the instructions. Don't overlook any anomalies. If you find anomalies, turn back immediately. If you don't find anomalies, do not turn back to go out from exit 8. So here we are trying this game for a second time, although it'll be the first time for you guys. Alright. Anomalies, anomalies. What's wrong with you? Two vents, 3 doors, the file thingy, I don't know what that is. All the posters look fine. You're not following me. Your eyes aren't following me. Lights are straight. The line is straight. No anomalies there. Got to the first exit. Two doors, two vents, three doors, two vents. I'm sorry. Fire exit. You'll find. You'll find. Are you fine? Yes, you're fine. That's trippy. The eyes follow you. Anyway. Camera's not on. I might be giving a little bit away from... I might be giving a little bit away from previously. Playing this. But... from what I remember... and now the anomalies should start. Oh, look! Those faces in the floor. I haven't gotten that one before. That's weird. Let's go back. Haha! The sign's all fine. He's fine. Two vents, three doors, file thingy. I'm just gonna call it file thingy because that's correct. The lights are not askew. The camera's not looking at me. These all seem fine. Are you fine? Yeah, you're fine. Concourse is fine. I think we're good. Are we good? Hell yeah. Okay. Off a first glance, nothing is askew. No smoking. Camera doesn't appear to be on. Two doors, three doors, two vents, file thingy. The man is normal. The signs, as far as I can tell, are normal. I think. Has that always been crossed out? I don't think. I think so. That's. Okay. You don't follow me. The lights aren't askew. I keep forgetting to look at the sign. The concourse isn't askew. Nothing seems weird, but that's also making me paranoid that something is wrong. And I'm just not catching it. Oh, I didn't catch it? What was it? Fuck. He's fine. Wait a minute. Are they glowing? That's so weird. It looks like it's glowing, but it's not. I think it's glowing. I wouldn't be able to see that if I kept moving. Okay, no smoking. Floor's fine. Exit 8's fine. Lights all in the place. 2 vents, 3 doors. Signs look fine. Are you fine? Hello? You're fine. All the pictures moving? No. No, there aren't. All the pictures are what they were. You're fine. These things are fine. I always forget this one and the camera, but they're fine. What did I miss? What? The fuck am I missing? Okay, something here seems weird. You're normal. Exit 8. 2 vents, 3 doors. The camera's not on. The pixels aren't glowing. The floor looks fine. Concourse is fine. The lights all fine. Everything looks fine. Everything was fine. Alright. Let's see if we can do this. Okay, no smoking. There's only one sign. That camera's off. Exit 8, that camera's off. 2 vents, 3 doors. He's fine. Yeah, he's fine. The floor's normal. The signs are not glowing. Okay. Your eyes aren't big. Every sign is pretty much the same. You seem fine. Oh. Concourse is fine. Camera's off. Better not have missed anything in that one. I somehow did. What am I missing? Keeps showing me something that I'm missing. I don't know what this is. What am I missing? What am I missing? 2 vents, 3 doors, 1 no smoking sign. The camera's off. The floor is fine. Exit 8. That sign is fine. He's walking normally. He didn't look at me. He's not glitching out. You're fine. The signs are fine. Okay, that's fine. Okay. Something's weird here. Was that a glitch in the... Was that an anomaly? What? know if that was an anomaly or just a glitch in the game or a trick in my eye. Oh, there's a face in that ceiling. There was a face in that ceiling. Move it! Move out of the way, weirdo. He's apparently stuck in exit 8 as well. Okay, lights on askew. The floor's not skew. There's one no smoking sign. 2 vents, 3 doors, the fire extinguisher, whatever it is. Fire exit, I guess, I don't know. He's fine. That one is fine. That one's fine. None of them all glowing. No face in the ceiling. That side is fine. Oh. Tone back, tone back, tone back. Okay, you said it. Aye, aye, Captain. Oh, shit. Has that vent always been there? I think it has. Ow, what is... Okay. The floor's fine. 2 vents, 3 doors. He's fine. I haven't gotten any on him yet. That's weird. No, the pictures aren't glowing. Exit 8's fine. Concourse. All of this is fine. There's no face. I've already forgotten if that light's always on or not, but I think it is. Oh, god damn it. What the hell? No, like, what the actual hell? I feel like I'm missing the same one as well. I feel like they keep trying to get me to see the same one, and I'm just not seeing it. Okay. The floor's fine. Exit 8. 1 no smoking sign. He is fine. 2 vents, 3 doors, the fire thing. These signs all not pulsating / glowing. That camera is off. Oh. Hi. That's not how you're supposed to walk, but okay. Bye-bye. Okay. Alright. The floor is fine. No smoking. The lights are fine. Exit 8. 2 vents, 3 doors, the fire thing. Get out of his way. He's fine too. I haven't seen anything with him yet, which is kind of strange. That all seems fine. It says concourse, there's no face. The lights are fine. Why? What am I missing? The fuck? it wasn't this hard the last time I played this. The last time I played this, I kept getting up to like 5 or 6 before it would actually, like, I would actually start missing stuff. You're fine. The floor's fine. Exit 8. Two vents, 3 doors. The pixels are not growing. That camera is off. His eyes aren't following me or not. This is concourse. The first one seems to always have no anomaly for some reason. Okay, exit 8. The sign is fine. The lights are not skewed at all. The floor looks the same, but I'll inspect it when I get up there. 1 no smoking sign. 2 vents, 3 doors. There's still nothing wrong with you. Which I don't know why there isn't anything wrong with you. Wait a minute. I just realized that I've already played this game, so it's probably not going to show me the anomalies that I've already seen. Kinda sucks. No, because I've seen that one, I think. I don't know, I guess we'll see. There's nothing wrong here. It's gonna tell me there's something wrong, but it's not gonna be wrong. I knew it. Be nice if I could start this game over. I don't know if it's gonna show the ones that I've seen already, because I've seen a lot of them. There's a lot that I haven't seen yet, but like nothing has happened with him yet, and there's like supposed to be 4 things that happened to him, but I think the last time I played this, I found all of those things. So I don't know if the game resets, or if every time you like close out of it or stuff, or if it's like you haven't picked up on it yet, so we're just gonna throw you the ones you haven't seen yet. Which in that case, suck it, game. But also in that case, maybe that'll mean I'll just be more diligent about my stupid game. The floor looks fine. This guy hasn't done shit yet. And I will say, maybe I found enough. Excuse me. Maybe I found enough anomalies last time I played that they don't have enough anomalies for me to complete the game this time around. So, was that always there? Shit. There was probably something wrong that I missed. I freaking knew it. So theoretically, judging by how this game is gone, theoretically I should be able to turn back and it still be 2 now. Because it seems to always want to do that. Yeah, I don't think it's showing me any anomalies from the last time I played this. What the fuck? I'm gonna turn back for shits and giggles. Look at that! I found an anomaly without actually finding it. I guess you'll never know what that anomaly was. If it was even the same anomaly, I have no idea. Again, I have no idea if this game resets every time that you play, or every time you close it and open it back up, or if it's just... I really don't know. Should we just try my pattern of going back, then forward, then back, then forward? I feel like I should, but I want to actually find the anomalies, because I know there's a lot that I haven't found, and that I haven't seen on my playthroughs of this game. But it's also not showing me anomalies for some reason. I feel like I should try and go back now. Fuck it. Oh shit. Well, that didn't work. This might be a very short game. This might be a very short gameplay. I don't know what it's counting as an anomaly because I can't see it. And maybe I'm just not seeing an anomaly. Maybe I really am... Oh, hello. Well, I've definitely seen that one before, in like my first playthrough, so... Okay. Okay, that makes me feel better now. So I can get past anomalies, okay. Okay, it's signs. He is fine. 2 vents, 3 doors, exit 8. That camera is off. There is no face in the thing. In the ceiling, the lights on askew, the floor is fine. These signs all fine, they aren't glowing. That sign's fine. That door hasn't opened yet. Okay, that seems fine. There's only once. You're a little taller than you're supposed to be, so. Why are you so tall? Oh my god, your head almost hits the... Okay, no it doesn't. It just looks like it does. Alright, here's where I keep messing up. For some reason. Okay, the floor is fine. There's one no smoking sign. It says exit 8. 2 vents, 3 doors. The signs preliminarily look fine. This man is fine. The lights are not askew. There's no face right there. Nothing coming out of that vent. Your eyes aren't big. You've changed, Mr. What? What? You gonna do something about it? I'm up in your face. Do you want to get out of here? I can tear you down real quick and help you out. Hey look, I made it past 3. Let's see if I can... Oh, Jesus, I forgot you're there. That camera's always been there. Alright. The floor looks okay. There's one no smoking sign. Up to exit 8. 2 vents, 3 doors, 1 file, whatever it is. This guy is fine. Again, the floor looks fine. Maybe more dirty than usual, but that might just be because I'm paying attention to that now. It says concourse. There's no face. The pictures are not going. This guy's fine. The door didn't open. The lights on askew. Please tell me I made it. Yes! Ugh! Man, fuck this game. Okay, floor looks okay. There's one no smoking sign. There are 2 vents and 3 doors. Exit 8. There is no face from what I can see. The lights are fine. Oh, I already see what's wrong, but the man's fine. Ma'am, you are not fine. Your head looks like it's been scribbled on by a 7-year-old. Will I make it this time? Probably not. Okay, the floor looks fine. One no smoking sign. The lights are not askew. The 2 exit 8. 2 vents, 3 doors, 1 file, escape, whatever. You're fine. And again, the floor looks fine. The signs are not glowing. That camera is off. Are you doing anything this time? No? Okay. Lights on askew. There's no face. It says concourse. Vent isn't leaking. The doors seem okay. There was no man over here. Oh, please tell me I'm right. Yes! Oh god, I'm gonna mess this up now. Oh man. Okay, the floor looks a little warped, but it looks fine. No smoking sign. To exit 8. The lights are not skewed. There was a face! There was a face! The face is back! It's watching your every move. Oh. Oh. I probably gotta do one more. I knew it. I have to do one more. Shit. Okay. The floor looks okay. One no smoking sign. The lights aren't askew. Oh god, I'm sorry. 2 exit 8. 2 vents, 3 doors. You're fine. No face again. These signs are not glowing or shrinking. I don't know if they shrink, but the vents are fine. The doors are fine so far. That camera's not on. It says concourse. Oh god, I'm gonna feel like I messed it up. That's fine. It's not following me, nor the eyes moving. Again, the floor is fine. Please tell me I made it. Please tell me I made it. Moment of truth. I made it! I fucking made it! Oh my god. That took a lot less fucking time than it did, that is really loud. That took so much less time than it did the first time. The first time I didn't even finish it. The first time I played this for like an hour and didn't finish it. Oh my god. Okay, what is this? All anomalies found. Thank you for using our underground passageway. Nice. Now, I will say, we didn't... Well, I found all of them, but those are not all the anomalies you could do. I'm sure you've seen others, but like this guy has like 3 others where he's moving super fast or he glitches out. Exit 8 and concourse are upside down. This no smoking sign goes everywhere. Like it's all on the floor over here, the ceiling. The lights are all askew. Oh yeah. One of the others is black smudge comes out of this. It's either black smudge or blood, but it's black, so I don't think it's blood. But it comes out, it oozes out. It's either this painting or this postal or this postal that turns into like a really weird like whole woman thingy. This door will open and you can go through it, but you'll just be put back at the start. And then over here, there's one where there's like a guy who blends in with the tile that stands like right here, and if you get too close, he'll come out and essentially kill you. But I could totally play it again, but yeah, all anomalies found. Thank you for using our underground passageway. So, this was a much shorter game than the first time I played it, and a lot less anomalies for you guys to see, but some other great players have played, some other great YouTubers have played it, such as Jacksepticeye, Markiplier, Gab Smolders, and I'm sure others, but those are just the ones that I have seen between me playing it the first time and me playing it now. So I guess I can say I had a tiny advantage knowing what remembering what most of the anomalies were, but as you could tell at towards the beginning of this video, for some reason I could not find the one after you got to like exit 3. But this has been exit 8. I hope you all liked this video. If you liked it, leave a comment down below what your favorite part was, give it a like, and go watch, it's either on this side or this side, I don't know, but there's a playlist for all my games down below, and there's also um, my channel logo that you can click on to subscribe if you want. So this has been Exit 8, and I will see all you guys in the next video.